Welcome. My name is Andrea Frisque, and I am excited to begin the fall term as the new dean in the BCIT School of Energy. I have come to BCIT because I am passionate about education and engineering, and I love the BCIT model. For more than 6 decades, this institute has been delivering practical, relevant education to provide industry with the right workers at the right time and to equip students of all ages with the skills and knowledge they need to thrive at work and in life. I also love the School of Energy's integration of trades, technology, and engineering. It mirrors real-world industrial work, where people with different skill sets and responsibilities work best when they work together. At BCIT, our education and even the research is applied and hands-on. It's a requirement, for example, that many of our apprenticeship programs are experienced in person, which created a special challenge in the last year. So I'd like to acknowledge the extra effort of faculty and staff who kept these programs running safely while honoring COVID protocols. We learned important lessons in this difficult year. Given how many of our students are studying part-time to upgrade their skills, BCIT was already a leader in diverse styles of education, including distance education. We'll be even better at it now. But we also love having our students on campus, expanding their own knowledge even as they test ours. Any good teacher will tell you they're at their best when curious students are there asking hard questions. It will be nice to be back together. Now, I'd like to mention some programs and improvements we're introducing for this academic year. Upon approval of the Ministry's office, we are ready to welcome the first candidates to become Masters of Engineering in Smart Grid Systems and Technologies. In a climate-changing world, all School of Energy graduates leave with the skills and understanding they need to improve energy efficiency and reduce emissions wherever they wind up working. Also new is our Industrial Network Cybersecurity Lab, where I'm speaking to you from today. You might expect to find cybersecurity in our School of Computing and Academic Studies, and you will. But this lab is specific to managing industrial risk, as from the increasing number of ransomware attacks. You may have heard about hackers taking control of an oil and gas pipeline this year, disrupting fuel supply across the northeastern United States. The company wound up paying $4.4 million to regain control of their own system. Our new lab will give students hands-on experience and how to anticipate, prevent, or counter these kinds of attacks. Thanks to a $1 million donation from the Gene Haas Foundation, we're also renovating our machinist program area and creating the new Gene Haas Manufacturing Lab, where students get direct experience with the latest in CNC machining, a state-of-the-art system that allows machinists to build or replicate parts to the finest of tolerances. Finally, I want to acknowledge our experienced and well-connected faculty and our hardworking staff, and to say that we're all committed to ensuring that BCIT will be a safe and welcoming place for everyone. On the topic of diversity and inclusion, we are actively supporting initiatives of BCIT's Respect, Diversity and Inclusion Office. I also have my own experience. In my engineering program at RWTH Aachen University in Germany, I was one of 20 women among 1,000 students. In one class, I was even the only woman among 200. So I can assure you that under my leadership, the School of Energy will be committed to equality of opportunity and to supporting all of our students' success. Again, welcome. I'm honored to be joining the School of Energy and excited to make 2021 the best year it can be for everyone at BCIT.